was a good opportunity to work with Lenovo.
The ability to think really broadly about the integration of me time and fashion and technology.
This campaign was so lovely because I could completely think out of the box with a showpiece.
For me, it's a really close-knit relationship between fashion and tech. I've been working on this fashion and tech project together with Lenovo.
It's not about kind of integrating elements of electronics into your clothing, but it's thinking about things like how the piece performs.
I wanted to design this garment to be something that is comforting. It also turns into a hammock, which is the fun element to enjoy nature even more. Me time clears my mind and allows new ideas and inspirations to come up.
One of the most exciting elements of the jacket. The carry-on bag also add like tablet holder for me as well.
We worked with both sound and light insulation within the construction of the hood, which allows for real immersion into me time.
Lenovo and Ranra are both brands that focus a lot on innovation, so it was a great match.
I think our values in this case are really similar of having me time and having a good work-life balance.
Inspiration always really come unexpected, so it's very important for me to have something that I can document those unexpected inspirations.